This is not my review video of the Xiaomi Air Fryer Pro 4L. Rather, this is a guide to avoid issues while using the air fryer based on Xiaomi's user manual and recommendations. My full review is in this video. Have time to watch it. Una sa lahat, mag-subscribe muna kayo sa aking channel para suportahan ito. You may also join this channel as a member to avail of exclusive perks like priority in comments reply and early access or exclusive access to some videos for members only.
Wow.
You can also help fund some projects here by sharing super thanks. Don't immediately use the air fryer for the first time. The air fryer may still have residual odor right after leaving the factory. You need to clean the frying plate and basket before your first cooking session. Put slices of lemon, garlic, onion, or fresh orange peels in the basket and set the air fryer to maximum temperature of 200 degrees and heat for about 5 minutes to get rid of any lingering residual odors. Don't just rely on the recipe in cooking food. Xiaomi has preset cooking programs or recipe on its air fryer. However, the recipe's time and temperature ranges are for reference only. The temperature and time can be adjusted according to origin, size, shape, and weight of the ingredients. During cooking, you can make necessary adjustments.
You can change the temperature if you want.
Don't use oil in cooking as much as possible. Oil can only be added to the food if the ingredients don't contain fats such as vegetables and fresh potato strips. The edible oil can be brushed on the food. Remember, the fats on food such as meat, seafood, and frozen fries cook the food itself. Don't reheat soup on the air fryer. When the air fryer heats food, it will generate hot, fast-moving air, which can easily cause the soup to splash. Don't remove the frying plate during cooking. The frying plate can be removed, but it is recommended to always use it during cooking to help cooking food more evenly and filter out any excess oil. Don't remove the silicone rubber footings from frying plate. The 4 black silicone rubber pieces serve as footings for the frying plate. It holds the frying plate a few centimeters from the bottom of the basket. It is heat resistant, non-toxic, and harmless. Don't casually touch the surface of the air fryer. The surface of the air fryer may reach temperatures of up to 60 degrees Celsius, which is normal. Don't splash water on the air fryer. The air fryer is not waterproof. Only the basket, frying plate, and grill can be washed. Stains inside the cabinet can be removed by wiping detergent diluted in water or with dishwashing liquid. Let it stand for about 10 minutes before wiping it away using sponge. Don't use steel wool or abrasive material in washing. Using steel wool or abrasive material in washing may damage the coating of the basket, frying plate, and grill. This can be cleaned in the dishwasher or by hand using sponge moistened with dishwashing liquid. Don't modify, disassemble, or repair the air fryer. Stop immediately the air fryer if it has issues. Do not attempt to open or repair the unit if you are not qualified to do so to avoid injuries. I hope this video helps. Check my review video of the Xiaomi Air Fryer Pro 4L. Your continued support to this channel keeps me moving. Daghang salamat.